In the world of fitness and sports, there's one question that echoes in the minds of every athlete and enthusiast alike. How can we accelerate the growth of our muscles? This isn't just a matter of curiosity. It's the foundation of achieving remarkable progress. Without the right knowledge, our journey towards building muscle, increasing strength, speed, and endurance can feel like running in place. Today, I'm diving deep into the secrets of muscle development, sharing strategies that are guaranteed to turbocharge your gains. So, buckle up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss any of my latest insights. First off, let's dispel a common myth. Muscles don't magically grow from supplements or hormones alone. Without putting in the work through training, those add-ons are just that. Additional helpers, not the main event. The real MVP here is your workout routine. Every time you hit the gym and push your limits, you're essentially causing micro damage to your muscle fibers. Though it sounds counterintuitive, this is actually a good thing. This process, albeit slightly painful, is masked by the rush of endorphins, nature's painkillers, that not only alleviate discomfort, but also boost your mood and energy levels. As these micro tears heal, they rebuild your muscles to be a bit bigger, stronger, and ready to handle more stress next time. This adaptation allows muscles to store more nutrients and, consequently, to grow in size and strength. When training for muscle mass, we engage in what's known as hypertrophy training, performing about 8 to 12 repetitions to really pump and bulk up the muscles. For strength, the rep count drops to about 6, focusing on heavier weights. Endurance training usually steps away from weights, favoring activities like swimming, running, or cycling to build stamina. To keep muscle growth constant, it's crucial to ramp up the intensity of workouts. Many fall into the trap of sticking to a fixed routine with the same exercises, reps, and weights. Initially, progress is visible, but soon hits a plateau. The key to continuous growth is to increase the intensity of workouts. This can be achieved by upping the number of reps, increasing the weight, or decreasing rest time between sets. Additionally, varying exercises and introducing advanced training techniques like supersets and drop sets can also stimulate muscle growth. The body needs to be constantly challenged to adapt and grow. Therefore, adjusting the intensity of workouts is essential to avoid stagnation and achieve new gains in muscle mass. Let's talk about fuel. Without the right nutrition, your efforts in the gym may not fully translate into muscle growth or strength gains. If you aim to bulk up, you need to consume more than your previous diet. Intense workouts elevate the need for nutrients, including micros such as vitamins and minerals, as well as a higher intake of protein. But moderation is key. There's no need to go overboard with calories or supplements. A balanced increase, including at least 400 grams of fruits and vegetables daily, is a solid approach. After pushing your muscles to the limit, they need time to recover and grow. This usually takes about 48 hours. Training a muscle group before it has fully recovered can hamper your progress. Moreover, to avoid overtraining, it's wise to take a complete break from intense workouts every couple of months for 1 to 2 weeks. Beyond the basics, boosting muscle growth. Incorporating cardiovascular workouts into your routine can significantly enhance your muscle-building endeavors. Cardio not only strengthens your cardiovascular system, improving nutrient delivery to muscles, but also regulates hormonal levels and promotes overall health. Aim to include 2-3 cardio sessions per week, each lasting around 30 minutes. This not only aids in fat loss, providing an aesthetic benefit, but also complements your muscle-building efforts by promoting better circulation and overall physiological function. Prioritizing cardiovascular health alongside strength training ensures a well-rounded approach to fitness and maximizes your potential for achieving your desired physique and performance goals. Incorporating cold therapy, such as contrast showers involving alternating hot and cold water, into your post-workout routine can significantly enhance muscle recovery and promote growth. This practice works by stimulating your body's capillary circulation and bolstering the parasympathetic nervous system, ultimately facilitating faster muscle gains. The contrast between hot and cold temperatures encourages blood vessel constriction and dilation, which helps to flush out metabolic waste products from muscles and deliver essential nutrients more efficiently. Additionally, cold exposure has been shown to reduce inflammation and muscle soreness, allowing for quicker recovery between training sessions. However, it's important to introduce cold therapy gradually to your routine to avoid potential shock to the system and minimize the risk of illness. By incorporating cold therapy into your regimen, you can optimize your recovery process and maximize the benefits of your workouts for long-term muscle growth and overall fitness. Massage serves as a potent method to stimulate muscle recovery and growth. Its ability to enhance blood circulation and metabolic processes within muscles expedites the recovery process. While having access to a professional masseuse is optimal, self-massage targeting accessible muscle groups can also yield significant benefits. It's important to avoid massaging joints and the spine to prevent potential injury. Instead, concentrate on massaging the muscles themselves. Incorporating massage into post-workout routines can help alleviate muscle soreness, reduce inflammation, and promote relaxation. Moreover, regular massages can improve flexibility and range of motion, ultimately enhancing overall athletic performance. Whether through deep tissue massage, foam rolling, or percussion therapy, integrating massage techniques into a comprehensive training regimen can amplify the benefits of exercise, aiding in muscle repair and growth for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. Growing your muscles is a complex process that involves more than just lifting weights. It requires a holistic approach that includes proper training, nutrition, recovery, and incorporating additional practices like cardio, cold therapy, and massage for optimal results. As you embark on or continue your fitness journey, remember these principles and techniques to maximize your muscle growth and overall health. I'm curious to know, what sports or activities are you into? Are you focusing on building muscle, increasing strength, or enhancing endurance? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.